Want to make sure people enter the right information in your spreadsheet? Add a pop-up message that guides them the moment they click the cell. I already have the values for public investment in research as a percentage of GDP for some world countries. Now I want other users to enter the source of each value, and to do this clearly and consistently. Select the cells where people will enter the source of the research investment value. In the second step, go to the Data ribbon, and select Data Validation. Let's zoom in such that you can see it better. Now let's add the input message for data validation. Open the Input Message tab. Add a title like Source, and a message such as, enter the source for this public investment value, for instance, IMF, World Bank, OECD. This message will appear automatically when someone clicks the cell. Click OK and let's see. When a user clicks the cell, Excel displays your custom guidance, ensuring consistent and professional text entries. You can also limit the text length under Settings to keep entries short and standardized. Let's say I want my text entry to have at least 2 characters and a maximum of 50 to avoid very long entries. Let's see how it works in practice. If I type I will get an error message, because my text does not meet the minimum length condition of 2 characters. But if I type IMF, that will work. A simple way to make your dataset cleaner, clearer, and easier for others to use. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you found it helpful.